This week we are learning about birds and enrichment. Birds create nests to keep their young and to keep their eggs and to raise their young. Today we are going to play a sorting game with pine cones. Sometimes different birds use different materials to build their nests. Today we're going to do some sorting with pine cones. And Peter's going to be my expert. Are you ready, Peter?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Peter, can you count out all the numbers from
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. So, Peter, you're going to take pine cones and let's sort them. So, for 1, you're going to put 1 pine cone. Good. 2 pine cones. 3, can we count that out? 1, 2, 3. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And you're going to put that on number 5. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2,
3.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. Almost done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go ahead.
So 7, 8, 9.
Good job, and nice and loud. Can you count the last one?
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, Peter. High five. Have fun with it at home. Miss you guys.